My name is Stephan Jefferis, and by way of introduction, I graduated in natural sciences and chemical engineering and went on to do a doctorate in civil engineering, specialising in geotechnical engineering. My professional career has been spent in civil engineering, where I've been able to bring the insights and tools from chemical engineering to bear on some problems in the underground environment. I'm a director of Environmental Geotechnics Limited, a micro-enterprise I set up when contaminated land was first becoming recognised as a problem. But of course that's now a mature discipline, and I've moved on to work on other problems underground, and particularly I've found myself working on the unusual and the unexpected. Be careful what you wish for. I've certainly had some very unusual and very unexpected problems that to be privileged to consider. I've also spent a considerable time teaching and researching in the university sector, where I've been particularly keen to identify academic research that can be of use in industry and find funding for that research. Early work was on cut-off walls, that's containment systems that could be used to contain contaminated land or reduce seepage under earth dams and levees. Some of that work was taken up after the Hurricane Katrina in the United States for the repair of earth dams and levees, but of course by then the research was so old as to be completely forgotten, but it did contribute. More recently, I've been working with the piling industry to develop fluids, support fluids, that can be used to keep an excavation open until it's backfilled with concrete. Some of these pile excavations can be very large, 60 metres or more deep, 2.5 metres and more in diameter. And the work has shown that the polymer fluids that we've been experimenting with can give a better bond between concrete and the soil when the fluid is displaced by concrete. So you need less excavation and less concrete, so altogether a more sustainable solution. Separately, I'm very keen to mentor young engineers, and I continue to supervise doctoral research in universities, and I have also been chairman of our professional association, the British Geotechnical Association. If you've been interested by any of the points I've mentioned, I do hope I shall meet up with you sometime.